What else
People,
can
I
a
don't come
woman give
again
to a
with this
man
another
apart from her body?
correct gist. This gist, in fact,
Stop
it
looking
makes
at me. I'm
sense.
asking
This
you the
gist
question.
in fact, it
As a
makes
woman,
sense. It stand for
what
ground
else can
gidigba.
you
This
give
gist
to a
na better
man
one wey
apart
be
from
say
your
we
body?
go benefit from
Let me
it.
rephrase the
So
question.
my people, I come
Every
bring
woman
am
is
come give
looking
us
for
so
a
that
rich
make we
man,
sef
a
still
wealthy
enjoy
man,
this
a Bill
gist. We
Gates,
go
a
still
Dan
learn
Gote,
from
a Mike
this
Zuckerberg, a Bill
our
Gates,
blessing CEO.
and
We go still
Otedola.
learn from her.
I'm
Okay,
going to ask
she
you a
dey
question, and
talk,
these
she
are the
dey bring
questions that men are
better
asking.
gist, correct gist dey
Women are
come.
saying, men,
So
you are
make we
asking us
sit
for our
down
body.
with
Every time
our
you want to sleep with
popcorn,
us,
make
you
we
want to
lis ten
sleep with
to
us.
this
And the
gist,
men are
because this
asking you,
video
if I
go
don't
give
ask
a
you for
lot
your
of
body, what else
sense. E
can
go
you give
give us
me?
how to
This is
work with
one
your
question a
man,
lot of
how to
women have
go
not been
with
able
your
to answer.
man, how to move
And
with
this
your
is one
man,
question I'm
how, in
asking
fact,
you on this
everything
video.
about
After
relationship.
watching this video,
She
take
dey
time and
always dey
reflect on
give
it.
us the best.
A lot of
So
women don't
my
have anything to give a
people,
woman
make we
apart from
sit down
sex.
watch
A
this
man apart from sex,
amazing
rather.
video with our popcorn
The
for our
only
hand,
thing a
so
lot
that
of
you go
women
dey
have to
enjoy
give
the story
is
and the
sex.
latest gist wey be say she dey give
Yes.
us.
And
So
sometimes
my
the men are
people,
actually doing
this
women a
video
favor by
na
asking them for
about
sex.
say she dey
Because if
talk,
a
she
man
dey
asks a
tell us
lot of
say
women for any
why
other
e
thing,
be
they can't
say
give.
man dey
It's only
always
sex.
sleep with
Sex is the
us
shortest cut.
before dem
Sex is
help.
the thing a
You
lot of women feel
understand
they can
wetin dey
give
cause
without
am wey be
stress.
say man go first
And
sleep
tomorrow,
with
a lot of
woman
women are still
before
complaining.
they
Every
go
man
wan
wants to
help
sleep
that
with me.
woman.
Every man wants to sleep with me.
Make we sit
My
down
name is
because no be
Okoro
me go
Blessing in
fit
Kiroka, and I'm
explain
popularly known
am.
as
So make we
Blessing
sit down lis ten
CEO,
to this
your number
amazing
one
gist,
certified
how she take
relationship
tell us
therapist
say
in Africa.
see wetin be
This
the
video is just to take a lot of young, beautiful
wetin go be
women
the
back to
result of it,
reflection.
how we go take go
Many women
about
don't
am.
reflect.
You understand me, my
Many
people?
women
So
don't
now
ask
it's okay, make
themselves
I bring this
questions.
ogbonge story
Many
gist
women
come,
don't
so that
sit
we
down
go
and
still learn
understand what is
from this
called
place.
vision,
We will still learn
direction.
from these
They
things.
just do what they like.
So she
And when you
now
are treated the way you
relationship
act,
therapist,
it's
so
as
she
if
dey
men are
give us the
wicked.
best
Every man
every
wants to
time.
sleep
So
with
I
me.
just
Every
love
man wants to
her
do this to
so
me. What else
much.
can you
I dey
give?
always dey pick one or
If you
two things
cannot
from
give a
her
man any other
video
thing, the
anytime
only
when I
thing he can
watch
ask
her.
you for is
So
your
now to
body.
make I bring am come
And your
give
body
us.
is
So
even
my
the
people,
simplest and the
una no
cheapest thing they
forget to,
can give.
abeg,
Women
make
who
una no
sell their
vex say
body
I
for
no
money are
greet una.
lazy women.
Una good
Women that don't
morning,
want
una
to
good
work.
afternoon, una
Women
good
that don't
evening.
want to
Depend
think.
on where
Women that
una
don't
dey
want to
watch this
reason. Using
video
your brain
from.
is hard
If
because you
today na
have to
una
reason, you
first
have
time
to
wey una dey
think,
watch
you have to
this channel,
calculate, you have to
abeg
strategize.
make una
So a lot
no
of women are
forget
so
to
lazy. The
subscribe,
easiest thing they
to
can give
like
a
and
man
to
is their
comment
body. So
below.
why do people like
Before I go,
blackmailing
make
men
una no forget
emotionally?
to press
And the
the
only thing that a man is
notification
asking me
bell,
is my
so
body.
that
My question is, what else
anytime
can you
when
give
I
him?
upload video,
Some
go dey
women will say,
sound
I
for
can
una
give him
phone
peace of mind. What is
kpaka.
peace of
So
mind?
make una dey bye bye.
What else can a woman give to a man apart from her body? Stop looking at me. I'm asking you the question. As a woman, what else can you give to a man apart from your body? Let me rephrase the question. Every woman is looking for a rich man, a wealthy man, a Bill Gates, a Dan Gote, a Mike Zuckerberg, a Bill Gates, an Otedola. I'm going to ask you a question, and these are the questions that men are asking. Women are saying, men, you are asking us for our body. Every time you want to sleep with us, you want to sleep with us. And the men are asking you, if I don't ask you for your body, what else can you give me? This is one question a lot of women have not been able to answer. And this is one question I'm asking you on this video. After watching this video, take time and reflect on it. A lot of women don't have anything to give a woman apart from sex. A man apart from sex, rather. The only thing a lot of women have to give is sex. Yes. And sometimes the men are actually doing women a favor by asking them for sex. Because if a man asks a lot of women for any other thing, they can't give. It's only sex. Sex is the shortest cut. Sex is the thing a lot of women feel they can give without stress. And tomorrow, a lot of women are still complaining, every man wants to sleep with me. Every man wants to sleep with me. My name is Okoro Blessing in Kiroka, and I'm popularly known as Blessing CEO, your number one certified relationship therapist in Africa. This video is just to take a lot of young, beautiful women back to reflection. Many women don't reflect. Many women don't ask themselves questions. Many women don't sit down and understand what is called vision, direction. They just do what they like. And when you are treated the way you act, it's as if men are wicked. Every man wants to sleep with me. Every man wants to do this to me. What else can you give? If you cannot give a man any other thing, the only thing he can ask you for is your body. And your body is even the simplest and the cheapest thing he can give. Women who sell their body for money are lazy women. Women that don't want to walk. Women that don't want to think. Women that don't want to reason. Using your brain is hard because you have to reason, you have to think, you have to calculate, you have to strategize. So a lot of women are so lazy. The easiest thing they can give a man is their body. So why do people like blackmailing men emotionally? The only thing that a man is asking me is my body. My question is, what else can you give him? Some women will say, I can give him peace of mind. What is peace of mind? What is peace of mind? Are you God? Who told you that you can give a man peace of mind? I'm asking you. Who told you that you can give a man peace of mind? You can't give a man peace of mind. A person that is not at peace is not at peace. Peace of mind is a choice. It's not by the things you give. It's your state of mind. It's how you want to see life. It's how you want to interpret things. Is how you want to deal with situation. Nobody can give anybody peace of mind. When people say, oh, I want peace of mind, a lot of people don't even understand the meaning of peace of mind. A lot of people think that peace of mind is when people don't argue with you, people ignore you, when you offend them, they don't complain. People, that's what people call peace of mind. You offend me, I'll just do as if I did not see you. You talk, I'll just do like zombie, I will not reply. That's what a lot of people call peace of mind. A lot of people are so lazy in their mind, they don't want to have conversations. When you want to have conversations with them, they say you're nagging, you're quarreling. No, we're not nagging, we're not quarreling, because we have to misunderstand each other to actually understand each other. So that thing you say you want to give a man, which is peace of mind, is not peace of mind. A lot of women have started saying they want to give a man peace of mind. They become a doormat. They become a zombie. They become a mumu to a man because they want to give. You can't give anybody peace of mind. Peace of mind is a state of mind. So what else can you give a man, since you now know that you cannot give a man peace of mind? A lot of you don't have it. I'm challenging you as a woman. I say many of you don't have it. I can even say 70% of women don't have anything to offer a man apart from their body. It's just 30% that have. That's if I'm not, if it's not even up to 80 to 90%, and we're even saying 10%, I just want to give women some accolades. Let's just say 70% don't have anything to give a man, just their body. It's just few women that have something to give a man. Now, a lot of you are going to be asked, okay, blessing, if we don't have anything to give a man, what else? Yeah, tell us. What you can give a man if you don't want your body to suffer is value. What is value? Value is what you can give to yourself. You cannot give a man what you cannot give yourself. You cannot sell value to anybody if you don't have it. Value is a persona, you will wear it. Value is something you will test with yourself. Value is something that people will see in you. Values are the things that you have built for yourself before a man comes along. Value does not have to be money. Remember, I said value is a persona. Value simply means, who are you? Who are you as a person? It is who you are that makes a man come around you and not want to sleep with you. And even if he asks you for sex, it is who you are that will give you the guts and the confidence to tell him, no, I'm not going to go to bed with you. A lot of you women cannot tell a man no because you don't have any other thing to give him. Now, the question is, when you like a man and you want to keep him and you don't want to sleep with him, what else can you give him? What else can you give him? Because there are some people who are going to come into your life that you want to keep. But you don't keep people with sex. That's the reason why a man will sleep you and a man will sleep with you and a man will dump you. It's because you don't keep people with sex. You keep people with value, and value is a persona. Value is what you're going to inculcate and build in yourself. Value is who you are. The question is, who are you? Whenever people ask this question, it always looks like it's an insult. Who the fuck are you? It's called identity. When you're traveling and the police stop you, the first thing they ask you, what is your identification? Can I see your identification? Identify yourself. Who are you? Without identity, you can have value. It is after identity that you begin to have value. Then when you have value, that's when you begin to look for love and friendship. If you don't have identity and you don't have value, men will use you as a public toilet. Your body will suffer. Anywhere you go, all they'll be saying is, I want to sleep with you, I want to sleep with you. You have to learn it as a woman. Enough of the blame game. People are always blaming men. He's a man, he's a man. Men did not do you anything. There's something I want to tell you on this video before I go. There's no free lunch in Freetown. Nobody does anything for you free of charge. You're going to pay back. The question is, what do you want to pay back with? So as a woman, you will always prepare yourself. If people give you something, it's not free. There is always a trade by barter. The question is, what do you want to trade with? What do you want to barter with? Your body or your value? If people come to me as a Koro blessing, I can't remember when last a man told me he wants to sleep with me. If people come to me right now, the first thing they're saying, how do I work with Blessing? Because they know I can make money. Blessing, how do I work? Blessing, let's come and influence for me. Come and talk about this. Come and speak. Come and run advert for me. You have the platform. You're outspoken. Come and speak here. Come, let's work together. You are insightful. You have good strategy. There's a business contract here. Come and join. I want to give you this contract. That's what men talk about with me. I choose who I want to sleep with. It's except I want to do it. But I can't remember when last a man met me as a Koro blessing and said, I want to sleep with you. You can't dare. I'm not bragging. You can't dare. You can say it on social media, but when you meet me in real life, you can't dare. You know why? I have something more to offer you. And even if you tell me you want to sleep with me, I'm going to tell you no, and I will bounce. You must be able to do with or without a man. And the only way you can do that is a woman that have value. A woman that have value is a woman that have guts, is a woman that have confidence, is a bold woman. Ask me, Blessing, where do you get your boldness from? You're so bold, you're so confident. It's because I can do with or without anybody. Not even man or woman. I know my worth. I have been able to grow myself. I have been able to add, and I'm still adding something to myself. I know I can give somebody something to collect something from them. It's trade by barter. I am preparing myself to be able to trade for something and collect something. But I said I don't want to use my body. I rather use my value. What did I do? I begin to add to my brains, to my person. I began to grow myself to become more successful so that I can trade by barter. Because I understand that life is trade by barter. Nobody's going to give you anything free. There's no free lunch in Freetown. Love is not free. No woman loves you for free. If you say love is free, don't marry her first. She will swear for you. No man gives you money for free. If you say it's a lie, let him give you money. He wants to knock you. There's a trade by barter. When you understand this as a woman, then you will prepare yourself and ask yourself, what do I trade with if I want something from a man? Let sleeping with a man, let sex become your choice. Let it be something that you want to do. Let it not be something that because you want to collect peanuts, because you want to collect ₦1, you sleep. When we talk about things like this, people say, oh, Blessing, you're acting as if you're a saint. Remember, I said I'm not a saint. But like I said, for every man I want to have sex with, it's what I want to do. It's not because of what he wants to give me. I am one woman who can boldly say it, and I'm boasting about it. You can't come out and say, oh, Blessing, I have paid you for sex. Never. That's one thing I don't do. I have sex with people I want to have sex with. It's called value. And as a woman, that is what you need to inculcate in yourself. How valuable are you? I know I pinched a button. I know I made you frown. Some of you, as you're watching this video, you're like, I know. I understand that feeling. Once in a while, somebody will have to bring a mirror so that you can look at your reflection. If you're not proud of your reflection, then change it. It is not what I'm saying that is the problem, it's what you're doing. Because if you're not doing it, if you're not guilty about the things I'm saying, you won't be angry about this video. People who are going to be angry about this video are people who don't want to look at their reflection. I'm just holding the mirror. Look at it. If you don't like what you're seeing in the mirror, then change it. You're beautiful. I'm not here to motivate you. I'm here to tell you reality. Your body counts. Let's add more value to ourselves. And these men will stop taking us for granted. Go back to the drawing board. There's a lot more you have to offer as a woman. I love you guys. Have a nice day. To know that a man is going to marry you. Now listen to me. Your conversations with anybody you are dating is very, very important. So pay attention. My name is Okoro Blessing in Kiroka, and I'm popularly known as Blessing CU, your number one relationship therapist in Africa. Now, a lot of people get to ask me, Blessing, how do I know that this guy is going to take me seriously? How do I know that this guy is adding me to his future? How do I know that he's going to marry me? The first rule to knowing that somebody is going to take you seriously or going to take it to the next level is your conversation. What are you guys talking about? Is it every time you go and meet the guy, sex? Every time you get to his house, you're shifting your pant and removing your bra. What are you people talking about? It is your communication, what you talk about, that will enable you understand where this guy is seeing you. When you talk, you get to know people. So I'm going to teach you what you should talk about in your relationship that will better. Number one thing you should discuss when you're in a relationship are your dreams. Where are you going to? You must understand that marriage is a journey. Exactly. So if you want a man to take you seriously, you must make him understand that you are on a journey. It is called vision. It is called mission. When you begin to discuss your dreams with anybody you're in a relationship, it enables you know if the person wants to go the same direction with you. It enables you know if the person is going to support you, because it is your dreams that will carry you all through the relationship. Very important, because many of you get into a relationship and the only thing you're doing is knack, sex, fuck. Every time you go to your boyfriend's place, you have removed bra, you have shifted pants, you have given head, you have given blowjob, you have sucked this thing, he has licked you, licky, suck. That's what you guys do in the relationship. You guys do not have conversations that is going to yield to the future, discussing where you're going to, which is your mission. Number two is what you want. Many of you get into a relationship and you do not tell people what you want, forgetting that you're a different person. You are meeting a stranger. It is what you tell people about you that you know. Most of you do not teach people how to treat you, and that's why they keep treating you wrong. Many of you get into a relationship and you just allow people to treat you anyhow. No. When you are in a relationship simply means you are getting to know each other. We are getting to teach each other, to know if we can understand each other. So when you are in a relationship, you need to start to teach people what you want, how you want it, and how you want to be treated. That's the point. Most of you get into a relationship and you are so relaxed having sex. And at the end of the day, you are trapped in the relationship and you start to live another person's life. And that's why it's as if relationship and marriages of these days is very, very difficult. Because most of you get into this relationship and you don't even talk about the right things. Everything is knack. Your do's and your don't. It's called boundaries. When you get into a relationship, you need to set what is called boundaries, because it is boundaries that create your personality, your discipline, those things you don't want to do. Exactly. Most of you get into a relationship and you forget to tell people, I'm not doing this, I'm not doing this, I'm not doing this. Now, when you are able to set boundaries for yourself, as time goes on, you can adjust. Now, when you begin to adjust for people, that's when you begin to know that you actually love them. Most of you don't have boundaries. You just get into a relationship and do anything you like. And when you get into a relationship and do anything you like, it simply means that you're a confused person, because you cannot keep changing your personality for everybody you meet. So as you get into a relationship, you need to tell people your do's and your don'ts. It is those do's and don'ts that creates respect. Exactly. So tell them. Discuss it. Some of you have actually lost respect from people you are dating because you don't have boundaries. And from the beginning of the relationship, you went with anything to make you happy. No, you don't do anything to make people happy. When people come into your life, they're going to respect what is called boundaries, because you were living your life before you met them. So when they come into your life, they will respect those things you like and those things you don't like. And if they want you to come around, they will help you adjust, not by force. Remember that. Then number four, your belief and your drive. What do you believe in? Religion, your way of life, your upbringing. You need to talk about that. You know what actually used to scatter relationship and marriage is disagreement. And the disagreement used to come because when you guys are dating in a relationship, you don't talk about these things. So when you get into marriage, it becomes a very huge problem. What are your beliefs? What are your drives? What is that thing you have a conk belief on? Talk about. The reason why a lot of people pretend in relationship is because most of you do not talk. Most of you do not discuss about the important things in your lives. So when you now get deep involved in this relationship, you begin to lie. When you have conversations with people, there'll be no reason to lie. Most of you are not yourself because most of you don't have conversations with people. You need to learn to talk in a relationship. You need to learn to talk about the most important thing. And like I said, if you want to know if a man is going to marry you or if he wants to take you to the next level, what you guys talk about is the most important thing. Yes, because it is what you talk about that bets your future. He begins to put you in his future. He begins to know that, this person have that. He begins to paint pictures in his head. But if it's all about sex, my darling, you're just going to end up a bloody girlfriend or a sex toy. And last but not the least, talk about your weaknesses and your strength. What are those things you have weaknesses for? We all have weaknesses and we all have strengths. It is very important to actually see weaknesses as a bad thing, but that's a lie. Everybody have their weaknesses. And when you know that you want to get into the next level with the next person, the person needs to know your weakness. Very, very important. It is those weaknesses that makes you human. It is those weaknesses that makes you who you are. And it is those weaknesses that is supposed to make people love you. Because it is people you love that are going to see a part of you that everybody do not see. So you need to be able to be vulnerable around these people. Sometimes I always ask myself, how come people want to marry people you're not vulnerable around? People you cannot leave yourself, people you cannot sleep and spread your leg and snore and do those things, because without people knowing your weaknesses, they cannot correct you. Many of you can never be corrected because you don't want to show people your weaknesses. It's only when you show your weaknesses, that is when you can be corrected, and that's when people can help you. That's the honest truth. So the most important thing is show people your weaknesses and your strength. Let them know if it's something that they are able to deal with. What are the things you need to talk about when you are in a relationship? Very, very important. Because some of you are in relationship that you don't talk. Spring up this kind of conversation and see if the guy is willing to go along this journey with you. I thought I should do this video to tell that beautiful woman out there that the reason why a lot of men do not take you seriously is because of what you guys discuss. And sometimes you don't even have anything to talk about, so you end up in his bed morning, afternoon, night. You guys are having sex. Marriage is a very long journey, and trust me, it's going to be a very boring one if you are not a futuristic woman. So it's time to change the conversations you're having in your relationship and begin to have productive conversations, futuristic conversations that is going to be very beneficial to you at the long run. I love you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the link on my bio.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware